Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we have an amazing find for all the parents out there. The Skip Hop Baby Bath Rinse Cup, Moby Tear-Free Waterfall Rinser in Gray. This product is a game changer for baby bath time, so stick around as we dive into its features and benefits. So, why is the Skip Hop Baby Bath Rinse Cup the best baby bath waterfall rinser out there? Let's find out. First and foremost, this rinse cup is designed with your baby's comfort and safety in mind. It's specially crafted to keep water out of your baby's sensitive eyes and ears, ensuring a tear-free bath time experience. Take a look at this ergonomic design. It features an easy grip handle that allows you to hold the rinser with one hand while safely supporting your baby with the other. But what sets this rinser apart is its innovative patent-pending design, featuring interior ridges that create a smooth and even pour. This ensures that water flows gently and consistently, preventing any sudden splashes that might startle your little one. And check out this soft lip that cushions your baby's head during rinsing. It provides extra comfort and protection, making bath time an enjoyable experience for your little one. What's more, this rinser is incredibly practical. It stands up on its own when not in use, which is a space-saving bonus for your bathroom. Plus, you can conveniently hang it by the handle to dry after bath time. We know safety is a top priority for parents. That's why the Skip Hop Baby Bath Rinse Cup is BPA-free, PVC-free, and phthalate-free. You can use it with peace of mind, knowing that it's designed with your baby's health in focus. Now, here's the best part. This fantastic baby bath rinser comes at an affordable price, making it accessible to every parent who wants the best for their baby. To sum it up, the Skip Hop Baby Bath Rinse Cup, Moby Tear-Free Waterfall Rinser in Gray, is undoubtedly the best choice for a hassle-free and enjoyable baby bath time. Its thoughtful design, safety features, and affordability make it a must-have for parents. If you want to make bath time a breeze and ensure your baby's comfort, click the link in the description below to get your Skip Hop Baby Bath Rinse Cup today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more top-notch product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.